Well, I think it was 1985 that there was a definite need in the town, and there was nothing for the local children, you know, to get involved with. We used the church hall. That was the venue for evenings playing table tennis and darts and that sort of thing. And then football on the weekends. And it grew from there.
I first started the club at 7, 8 years of age. Obviously playing, and then continued playing up into the senior football. And now involved with the coaching via me and Andrew's children. My 3 boys and his son all play football for the club at the minute.
I remember coming here at the age of 10, my father brought me along, and I'd done the same with my son. When he was 3, 4, he was kicking the ball on the side of the pitch, so it's that's the generations. It's been fantastic.
They all keep coming back. You can't get rid of them. You think you've done your job when they've grown up and got married and gone off somewhere. You lose them for a couple of years, then they're back with their children. It's really built the community.
Beth ni, bod ni'n clwb pêl-droed, beth sy'n fwy bwysig i ni I datblygu'r plant, chymod. Os ni'n gallu gweld y plant I datblygu sgiliau eraill, pwysigrwydd, ymanteithion, byw bywyd, ffitrwydd, a bywyd iach, a cario ymlaen mewn i'r dyfodol, dyna beth ni wir eisiau gwneud. Mae lot o bal pres am Ferthyr, pethau hwnna, felly mae lot o pethau positif hefyd.
Mae'n y pwysau eto, Colin Owens, mae'n mynd I Sgorio eto, maen nhw ar y blaen, maen nhw ar y ffordd, i'r 8 ola, am Sgori.
I've seen things happening this year that I never thought I'd ever see. And for every team they play where you think this is the end of the road, they've been the better side in every game. And they're moving up 2 divisions higher. And I wouldn't write off Bangor.
We only entered the Welsh Cup to try and pit ourselves against the Welsh team just to see what the standards we were. Welsh League is more important, but when you get this stage, you want to win it.
I recently went to watch TNS and Bangor just to take a look at what we're up against, to give us a chance of being competitive, if anything.
No disrespect to the other sides we played. This is the elite level.
Pawb yn sôn am stori y tylwyth teg. Os gawn ni ganlyniad yn erbyn Bangor, bydd rhaid ail-ysgrifennu Mabinogion, fi credu. Mae'n fod pwysig o hynny I ni yn Gymru. Mae'n clyfr anhygoel, mae'n just bwrlwm o gwmpas y lle, mae dref yn byzzyn.
I remember the old referee, Howard King, when I first hit the ground. I said, I got to make sure the width is right in case we draw Real Madrid or someone. Come, and he laughed. I bet he's not laughing now.